guys, this is Ike from IMG Technical Hub, and in this video we will be doing the unboxing of JBL Duet wireless earphone that I have purchased through Amazon. And you can see it has been shipped from Trikal Enterprises ground floor and it has come from Mumbai. So let's get started and let's see what's inside the box. I will cut it out from here. So you can see there is another box inside this. So let's cut it out and see what's inside this. So I am cutting it from here and from here. The packaging looks quite good. Let's see what we have got inside this. Finally, we have seen the JBL. So you can see this is the JBL Duet Mini wireless earphone that I have purchased through Amazon, and it's look like you can see there is written something that is I don't know which language is written. Some details about it, made for the biggest stage, and you can see here it's JBL Herman. You can see it has Bluetooth 4.1. and also you can connect and take your call, and also it has microphone. So it has fully packed. So let's open it from here. So we have taken out this JBL, and you can see this is a rubber type band, and you can close it in your neck very easily, and it will not slip out from your neck by using this. Also it has magnet. You can see these are magnet, so it always stick from here and will not find any kind of issues with it. Also the wiring quality is also looks good, and you can see there is a JBL brand, and wiring is also good, and we have to check the bass and audio level, that how good are these. So also you can see these are some buttons to take and untake calls, or you can see there is written JBL wireless port. You can see some buttons. This is for volume up and volume down. This is for taking calls, and also you can change music from this, and overall it's look quite good. And also this is the has springs mechanism as well, that if you hold it in your neck, and it will give quite comfortable feeling to you, and also it will not slip out from your neck, and you will not lose this JBL Duet wireless mini. So this is the earphone. Also we will see there is nothing, and you can see there is nothing inside this, and only this JBL wireless Bluetooth. It has a magnet as well. So we have to check its quality, and we will check it in our phone. So now also I will attach to this my. So let's open this. I hope it has some battery. Also friend, we have not get any charger inside this, so I don't know how we will charge. We have to connect it to our other USB 2.0 charge point. You can see there is a USB 2.0 charge USB port. You can insert your USB 2.0 port into this, and you can see we have not got any charger inside this. So there is a fault by Amazon. I have to contact them that why I have not received this charger, because this is a JBL wireless Bluetooth, and as it is a JBL brand, and you always get a charger, warranty card, and other stuffs like that, but I have not got inside this. You can see, and I'm also not sure about the quality of this JBL. As you can see, it's look like JBL, and you can see there is written something. I don't know what's this, but overall the earphone looks very premium and very good. And this is the unboxing of this JBL Duet mini wireless earphone, and you can purchase it via Amazon or Flipkart. So I will check the quality of this audio and tell you about this. And also, if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section so that I can give you the answer of those questions. I hope this video is useful, and if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'm Technical Hub. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.